It's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back here again with another video. And we will be doing a I was looking at if you know anything about hair, you know who Eayon is. I was looking at this unit that he did on The Real Kyle's sister the other day. I'm gonna assume that's who did her hair. And he snapped on the baby hair. So I'm like, you know what? Let's try to recreate that look, because I feel like baby hairs can make or break a unit. So that's what we're gonna do today. This wig is from this lovely company. I have worked with them before, so this is not my first time trying a unit from them. Inside their box, they sent me a wig cap, and then they packaged the wig up real cute, real nice, real tight. My camera's on 8%. I don't really understand what that's about. And then also it came with some elastic. So this wig is actually a human hair wig. She is 22 inches, natural color, and she is a water wig. And I picked this unit for this look because I'm gonna try to insert the picture that I'm talking about, but she had like some crimps in her hair, and I feel like I overdo it with the crimps. So I'm like, you know what, sis, let's just try to find a unit that kind of like matches that texture. So this is what I picked. Very, very, very similar, if I do say so myself. I did a great job. I know. And I can already tell that this is about 6 inches of parting space. That's a lot of parting space. It does not look like the knots are bleached, but I'm actually probably gonna charge my camera up real quick, and while I'm charging my camera up, I think I'm gonna just bleach the knots super quick, because that makes a huge difference if you didn't already know that. I'm going to try the wig on really quick just to see how she's coming. And yeah, she is 22 inches, so she does hit me here. The hairline, this is some really soft lace, so I'm thinking I have to check the details on this wig one more time, but this almost kind of reminds me of not transparent lace, but Swiss lace. That's what I meant to say. The hairline does not look too bad. I think once I do cut the lace and kind of like we do the finesses of the baby hairs, I think it might be pretty cool, pretty fun, pretty fresh. And yeah, so okay, so I just bleached my knots and I cut the lace. I can't remember what I was trying to say. And I ain't trying to have sis all in the video, because I ain't even asked her can I use her video, but I mean her picture, but I'm just trying to use her baby hair shit as a reference. So this is the look that I'm going for. Sorry sis if you didn't want me to use your pic, but your shit's late. So I mean, what did you expect? But anywho, not saying I'm gonna get it exactly like that, but I like to look at stuff. I mean, I like to look at pictures like that so I can figure out, like, you get what I'm trying to say? So I can just see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out some baby hairs and cut them. So I'm really just pulling out like a little. Okay, so the rest of it is clipped back, and now I'm just finna just cut it just a little bit, because these are a bit long. So and now I'm just going to take my Eco Styler. I don't know how I'm about to do this without like actually looking in the mirror. Where did my thing go? Hey girl. So I'm just basically finna like do the damn thing. camera is oversaturated. Chill out on the exposure, sis. So that's what we looking like so far. I'm still using my good sis as a reference. Okay, so this, I hope you seen me because it's hard to film this. Is what we're working with at the moment. And I'm just gonna basically finesse the other side to make it look like that, but it's gonna be super hard for me to record that part, so I'm gonna do that off camera and I'll be back. Okay, so this is what we got. And I think I did pretty good. This is like the easiest freaking baby hair tutorial, like literally ever. I'm about to put this, the back of this is clipped, if you can't tell, but I'm about to put this on here just to see what she's talking about. Okay, so this is how she came out. I think this came out so freaking cute. Am I blurry? Yes or no, camera? Because I feel like you're not doing a very good job and you're pissing me off. You're finna get replaced in like 2 seconds. But yeah, this is how she came out. Easiest baby hair tutorial ever. What I definitely recommend is if you see a fire picture with a girl with some fast baby hairs or like a fast like hairline, I always use that to base how I want my wig to look. So I just basically cheat. I mean, but that's what everyone does, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, if you did want to pick up this wig, it is going to be everything on this wig is going to be in the description box down below. If you pick it up, let them know that Kiamani sent you, and I'll see you in my next video.